Okay, we're back again on the 84 Virago 750. Today we are going to be doing the brake calipers. We got some banjo bolt washers, so we're going to put them in today. We've got Mooch with us today.
Hello.
And alright, let's get started. So first thing I guess we got to do is just take the brake line off.
Well, it's previously disassembled, so that's why I can do it by hand.
That and he cheated 5 seconds ago and took it in anyway to find the right size.
Okay, so now
I was going to find the right washer size.
Yep, those will work.
Yep.
Check out 2 more. The one on either side. Otherwise, you're going to have a leak on one side or the other. Tight enough to press them, not super tight, right?
Maybe you twist that banjo bolt, it'll be all good.
Yeah.
One side.
No.
Still on the other side.
When we put the fluid in, we'll see if it's tight enough.
That we will. So in case you missed the earlier part of the video for this was given to us by, who was it, your boss?
Yeah, the new supervisor at my plant.
And he had it partially disassembled to do some powder coating or something on it and then just never did it. So we're just kind of putting it back together. He just didn't give us all of the parts that we needed. But banjo bolts you would have changed, or the washers you would have changed anyway, so.
Yeah.
Once you disassemble them, it's always better to put new ones in.
And for the cost of the 4 of them, it's a lot cheaper than the bike. Because if you don't stop, that's not good. No, he just took it. He took these off and took the whole assembly off.
Because he didn't take this off either. He took the whole arm off and he took the brakes off up here, right? Oh, no.
Nope, that's off.
That one's off, alright. So we're going to do that one. I think I was old and got a bike accident or something.
There was one. Nope, there is 2 there.
Is it off? Might as well put new ones on anyway.
Yep, we just got to get that off of there. Edit that scary shot out. Like our fathers before us. Get a rag. I want to clean that up a little bit. Thank you. Always a good idea to keep your brake system clean.
Put that down.
Hold it there.
That's good. Tighten it up just Alright, so see if we have brakes now. Just gotta pop that off and put some fluid in. Well, sorry about the abrupt ending on this video, but we lost a bunch of footage for this. I don't know where it went to. I think my computer ate it. But anyway, all we did after this was just bleed the brake system. It's the same as bleeding a car. You just pump the handle, bleed the screw, and keep doing that until you have no air left in the system. Doesn't take long on a bike because they're just short brake lines. and then after that we took it for a test ride. So anyway, thanks for watching. We hope you liked the video, and why don't you, if you don't mind, hit that like button down below. Thanks for watching.